Malpractice insurance agents are highly skilled professionals who know a lot about their given field. When a doctor uses an agent to shop around for their malpractice coverage, they get access to the best carriers without lifting a finger. The agent does all the work for them and then presents options so that they can find the best coverage at the best price. And while it doesn't cost you anything to work with an agent, they must get paid somehow, right? Of course. And the answer is that they get paid a commission by the insurance carrier. So, how much commission does your malpractice insurance really make? And does it affect the cost of your policy? In today's episode, we're going to give you all the inside information on how malpractice insurance agents make money. And we'll give you 3 ways to check and make sure you're working with a good one. Welcome to Malpractice Insights, the show dedicated to helping healthcare professionals understand medical malpractice insurance and providing you with the solutions you need so that you can get back to the work of practicing good medicine. My name is Jennifer Wiggins, CEO of Aegis Malpractice Solutions, and I'm so glad you've joined us today. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Thanks so much for being here. We release a new episode every week, both on YouTube and your favorite podcast streaming platform, so be sure to like and subscribe to stay connected. All right, let's jump in. So, you need to buy malpractice insurance, but where do you even start? Without a guide, it can be time-consuming and frustrating for healthcare professionals to shop around. For this reason, many doctors and medical groups choose to use an independent agent or broker to help them shop the market. But before you go about selecting an agent, let's take a broader look at the difference between working with an agent versus working directly with a company. Independent agents do not work for any one company. They represent multiple insurance carriers, which gives them the ability to shop around and find the best fit for you. Having access to multiple companies also benefits you because it drives competition, resulting in lower costs. On the other hand, a direct agent's first duty is always to their employer. They are captive agents and can only offer malpractice solutions from one company. A doctor or a group would need to contact multiple different carriers on their own in order to get other coverage options to consider, which can be a time-consuming and tedious process. Many malpractice insurance companies do not sell direct, so even if you were to call on them, they would probably refer you out to one of their agents to provide you with a quote. Insurance policies aren't like typical consumer products where the same item can be sold for a different price through different means. Rates are filed with and regulated by the Department of Insurance in each state, and carriers do not have different rates for the business that they write direct versus through an independent agent. Bottom line, you're going to pay the same price whether you buy your malpractice insurance through an agent or directly from the carrier. The insurance company is going to pay the person that is servicing the account, whether that's one of their own direct employees or an independent agent. And given all the benefits of using someone who is not directly employed by the carrier means that your best interests are more likely to be served. So, how much commission do malpractice insurance agents get paid? The average commission for a malpractice insurance agent is 10%. But that doesn't necessarily mean that your agent gets to pocket all of that money. While the agency may get paid 10% by the insurance carrier, the individual producer likely only gets a portion of that commission, and the agency keeps a few points to pay overhead. Or the agency just keeps all of the commission and then pays the agent a salary. Some carriers will pay a higher commission for new business and a smaller commission for renewals. Others will pay a steady commission rate over the lifetime of the policy. Every carrier pays a slightly different commission, and that can be due to a variety of factors. First, they may pay a higher commission to larger agencies or agencies that do a lot of business with them. Sometimes a carrier will refer to their agency partners in tiers, giving them titles such as the President's Club or a Platinum Agent to the brokers that produce the most business for them. Second, if a carrier is looking to grow in a certain state or a line of business, they may offer a higher commission for a specific type of customer. For example, if a carrier wants to write more business in the state of Indiana, they may entice agents by offering 3 to 5% more in commission for business written in that state. Third, carriers may also incentivize agents by offering bonuses, inviting them to special events, or paid vacations and trips if they hit a certain threshold of new business production. Malpractice insurance carriers want to become the preferred market for agents so that they are more likely to win the business when an agent is presenting multiple quotes to their clients. But how do you make sure that your agent is really looking out for your best interest and not simply recommending the carrier that pays them the most or helps them get closer to a free trip to Italy? Here are a few ways for you to make sure that you're working with an agent that is on the up and up. First, ask your malpractice insurance agent which carriers they work with and why they've selected them. You're looking for an agent that has a wide range of carrier options and understands that not every carrier is right for every doctor. A good agent knows that each doctor's practice is unique, and depending on their specialty, where they practice, and the scope of their work, certain carriers might be a better fit than others. Second, make sure your agent specializes in malpractice insurance. Given the intricacies and high stakes of medical malpractice, you don't want to have the same agent that handles your auto insurance or your life insurance to also handle your med mal. It's just too hard for an insurance agent to be an expert in everything. So chances are they'll have one area of true expertise, and then they'll just have general knowledge in the other subjects. This is an expensive product that you want to make sure you have set up correctly. So be sure you're working with an agent that is a real expert in the field, understands the market, and can truly provide you with the service that you need to make the right coverage choice. And third, don't be afraid to ask your agent what commission they make with each carrier. Some agents will be forthright and will disclose their commissions automatically, but at a minimum, they should be willing to share that with you if asked. If an agent comes back and only presents one quote to you, be wary of their intentions and ask follow-up questions to make sure they've really done a thorough review of the market and that they're not simply offering you a quote from the carrier that they want you to pick. At the end of the day, a hard-working, honest malpractice insurance agent can be one of your biggest assets, and you'll find them to be a valuable resource and a partner to your practice. You should be able to trust your agent to represent you well, to understand your coverage needs, provide ongoing support, and help you find the insurance carrier that's the best fit for you, while ensuring that you're not overpaying. If you have any questions on this topic or you want to make sure that you're covered appropriately, click the link in the description box below where you can connect with us via phone, email, or chat today. And if you're listening, please visit us online at aegismalpractice.com. That's AEGIS, malpractice.com. We have some great episodes lined up for you in the next few weeks. Make sure that you're subscribed to our show so that you don't miss an episode. And if you found this information helpful today, could you do me a favor and give us a like and leave a review? Your feedback and support helps us to reach more people, and we really are grateful for your clicks and your kind words. That's it for this episode of Malpractice Insights, where we're dedicated to helping you understand medical malpractice insurance and providing you with the solutions you need so that you can get back to the work of practicing good medicine. This is Jennifer Wiggins. Thanks for joining us.